Hi, I'm Viola. Subscribe to my channel and I will take you into my world of craftsmanship, passion and love. Welcome to episode 3. I hope you are excited and that you will make this recipe. If you do, please let me know. Today I will be showing you how to make merengue. Merengue is sweet and indulging and so good on so many things. If you have seen my other episodes, you will know that merengue tops off our lemon meringue tartelette. If not, please go and watch the episodes so you can also make this all-time classic. But before we jump into the recipe, last time I told you about the opening of Viola's Patisserie in Eindhoven. Let's get back there what happened. On the 8th of September 2018, we had a soft opening for friends, family and the entire neighborhood. It was a great way to celebrate my success and to meet new clients that later became our regular clients and some of them even close friends. Because I was new in the world of pastry and my name was not known yet, I had to work extra hard to make new customers regular customers. Because what if they did not like it and they would not return? My dream would not last very long. I worked 7 days a week for about 12 hours per day and loved every minute of it. Almost every minute of it. And at home, Giovanni was taking care of everything else, so Viola's would get a great start. For the official opening of Viola's 3 weeks later, I invited a very famous pastry chef in the Netherlands to come make the opening even better. It was an honor that he opened Viola's Patisserie and he gave a wonderful speech about the future. My future! And of course, I made him taste one of my specialty cakes. What an honor! We had a great party and I will never forget Giovanni, my husband, gave a speech and he said to everyone, "My wife is a genius." He was talking about my palette and about everything I created for Viola's Patisserie and how hard I worked to make my dream come true. He topped it off with a toast and he promised everybody could come and enjoy the best patisserie at Viola's. What makes Viola so special, you may wonder? What makes Viola so special? No! Ta-da! I wanted to create a patisserie where you could come and enjoy real Italian coffee and great pastry made with natural ingredients, great ingredients, no artificial coloring, no additives, just taste good and made from scratch. Besides the most important thing, the patisserie, I thought it was very important everybody here gets service with a smile. And that the entire bakery is made of glass so that you can see how we work, what we put inside and especially the things that we don't use. No secrets. By now, are you curious what my pastry tastes like? Let's create some and maybe next time I will tell you why I started baking vegan patisserie. Are you excited yet? Let's get started. The things you will need is a mixer, preferably a standing mixer, otherwise you have to do everything by hand. It's going to take a very long time. With a balloon whisk attachment, a thermometer, spatula and a small pan. The ingredients you will need are 200 grams of sugar, 60 grams of water, 80 grams of egg whites. Please use fresh eggs. Most bakeries use eggs that come from a container. Then 45 grams of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt and a splash of lemon juice. Let's get started! Let's get started. In the bowl of your mixer, please add egg whites, splash of the lemon juice. Please add some lemon juice. It's to take away a little bit of the sweetness and to make sure your egg whites whip up a lot nicer. And a pinch of salt. Then you can add your pedal attachment and switch it on. I do the tonight here. Yay! You can start mixing straight away on a medium to slow speed. And you wait until small bubbles start to form. And in the meantime, we're going to start making the sugar syrup. You add the sugar into your pan and also the water. Move it a little bit. Start on a high heat. Using a thermometer, cook your sugar syrup until 122 degrees Celsius. Ooh, bubbles. When the sugar syrup reaches 122 degrees, take your pan and slowly pour the sugar syrup on the side of the bowl over the still whisking egg whites. Put the mixer on medium-high and whisk until it feels warm to touch and no longer hot.
En waarom heb je nu water in de pan?
Dan lost hij makkelijker op, kan hij denken door de vaat. Slim hè? Add the powdered sugar. Put it back on the mixer and whisk until the powdered sugar is completely dissolved. The meringue is nice and glossy. And now look, we have a glossy meringue. Your wonderful meringue is now ready to use or eat. So sweet, so indulging. Give it a try. Thank you for watching, and if you are going to make all 3 episodes and this lemon meringue, please tag me on social media and let me know. I'm very excited to see your creations. Are you excited for next episode? Because I'm going to do the very first vegan episode. It's going to be vegan chocolate cream. And if you liked this video, please press like. If you would like to hear more about my story, follow me in my dreams to come and watch me make and taste delicious pastry. Then please subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. Bye!